on video. What are you doing, Thomas?
Reglazing these window panes.
Oh man, yeah. So we decided to save the windows in here. They're so old, it's kind of tough to get new ones that look appropriate at all. So Thomas is taking these apart and kind of meticulously just, what do you got to do? Just pull the glass?
You have the panes of glass, you put a, let's see if I can.
Did you cut new glass for them too?
Yeah, these are all new. These ones are the old panes, which we use them too, but.
Right, but we got some new cut. That's awesome.
Put some glazing back behind so it has a little bed to lay on, a little pad to fill the gaps, and you drop the paint in.
Yeah.
Then you put these glazing points.
What are they for?
They hold the paint in.
Okay.
So that's
they're nailed in.
You try to get that gap filled so that the panes don't rattle when it's windy or when it shakes.
Yeah.
Which, you know, it
okay.
can still happen.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a better shot of the cross section.
Glass looks really good.
Yeah, it's just clear, regular glass.
Yeah. Okay, so they're seated in there. And then you're building out.
And then you take the glazing putty. Well, I'm not here. This is better. You kind of knead it, make it soft, and then you pack it down in there. If you're really, I'm not very good. This is, honestly, I'm getting worse and worse as I go because I'm trying to go faster. If you're really, really good, you can get it. This one's all right. You get really... put a lot of pressure on it and get it just compacted in there.
Yeah.
And obviously try to get it squared up, but
but it's always going to look like putty. It's not going to look like the wood on the other side.
Yeah, I mean, some people are really good and it's really clean lines and corners, and I'm just kind of going back through it. I just finished this one in terms of getting it in there, and then now I'm actually going and
oh, that's nice. That's nice.
So
it'll kind of look like a lot of the rest of the window in there. Not quite. New and shiny.
And, I mean, one thing is this: the glazing goes on the outside, so you're never seeing it up super close.
Right. I like it. It looks really good. Very cool. How many windows do you have to do?
Well,
2.
There's these 4 sashes.
Yeah.
This is done. So 2 sashes are done. I have another one done in there.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And then this one needs to be
There's that
rebuilt.
one. We need to rebuild that.
Yeah, and we've got a couple windows we took out. We may be able to replace those parts. I don't know if they fit or not. And then these 2 windows over here. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of slow and meticulous, but it's got to be done.
And it'll last another, I don't know, 20, 30 years probably, the glazing. I don't know how long it lasts.
Right.
A good amount of time, and obviously these windows are still going, so.
It's fantastic. I'm actually thrilled about it. Way more so than replacing the whole windows, honestly.